When we speak in English, many of us use the sound and the style of our native language. This is called MTI or Mother Tongue Influence. It is very normal, especially for beginners. But if you want to speak clear and natural English, you need to work on it slowly and smartly. First, understand one important thing. You don't need a perfect foreign accent. You just need clear English so people can understand you easily. This should be your goal. Now, let's start with the first step, which is awareness. You need to know how you are speaking right now. Take your mobile phone and start recording your voice for 1 minute on any topic. It could be hobby, day, happiness, about your night, about your future, anything. Record for 1 minute and try to listen it. Try to listen to your recordings. And this is how you will be noticing your mistakes. When you notice your mistakes, you can start fixing them one by one, gradually. Well, let's talk about the second step, which is listening. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. You must observe more. Listen simple English videos, interviews or conversations every day. Don't just listen for their meaning. Listen to how words are actually spoken. Notice the sound, the speed and the pauses. Now let's talk about the third step. Well, this is really powerful. Choose a short video or audio. Listen to the line and repeat it exactly in the same way. Try to copy the pronunciation and the style. This is called practice by imitation. Do this daily for 5 to 10 minutes. The fourth step is to fix common sound mistakes. Many learners have problems with sounds like Y and W or maybe TH. Don't try to fix everything at once. Choose 2 or 3 sounds and practice them daily. Speak slowly and clearly. Well, the fifth step is word stress. In English, we do not stress every word equally. Some words are strong, some are soft. For example, in this sentence, I want to learn English. Here we are stressing on want, learn English. This makes your speech sound more natural. Well, the sixth step is slow down. Many people try to speak fast, but that creates more mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. It is better to speak slow and correct than fast and confusing. Well, the seventh step is feedback. Let's suppose you are talking with someone on phone call. That person could be your friend or anyone. Maybe you are using an application where people meet and they practice in English. So don't hesitate. Ask that person in the beginning when your call gets connected. Simply ask that person, hey, uh, I'm talking with you, and if I make any silly mistakes in terms of my MTI or maybe anything, it is not just a matter of MTI. It could be anything. It could be your pronunciation, your sentence structure, anything. So feel free to ask to that person. Now we are talking here on phone call. Don't feel hesitate, right? A lot of people say, I mean, pronounce like this, value, value. But this is not the actual pronunciation. The actual pronunciation is value, value, not value, not victory. BH, bh, and V, were. We have to understand this. So ask your friends to give you feedback. If you don't have a partner, compare your voice with any videos. Let's suppose if you are watching any Hollywood movie or any podcast, then try to match with your pronunciation. This is how you are going to work on your MTI. Don't just watch. Try to compare with your accent, your MTI, your dialect, your pronunciation. Try to imitate like those people who are having really good command over English language. This is how people can work on their MTI. And let's say if you are having problem pronouncing any word, okay, let's suppose there is a word and you don't know how to pronounce it, search that word on Google and try to learn the actual pronunciation. And this is how people actually work on their MTI. Try to notice the difference and improve. Finally, be patient. MTI will not go away in one day. It takes time and patience. But you just need to keep on practice, keep on working on your MTI. And don't worry about your mistakes. Mistakes means you are learning, you are improving. In the end, remember this, your goal is not perfection. Your goal is to sound clear and natural English. Speak daily, listen to carefully, and keep improving step by step. You will definitely see progress. See you some other day. Thank you for watching this video.